So here I am again. Not going to believe what's happened. Flying my drone off the top of this waterfall, the top there. Flying it through this little canyon just around the corner. Got some beautiful shots. Nice and slowly, very, very carefully on the way back. Don't know how the hell I did it, but I clipped a rock. And here's the drone. Right there on the rock. Sitting on the rock. Won't fly. So I've had to work out a way to get down here. Alright, so here we go. I'm down. Had to walk all the way back to the car, grab two of my straps, tie downs, join them together, that tree down here, down here, down here, down here, to where I'm currently standing. Just changed into my reef shoes, and I now have to walk across this water, which is not deep, which is great, to get my drone. And it looks like it's fine. It's just the actual rotor arms touched the rock and stopped it. So there was no way I was leaving it. But you can see how pretty this spot is. So I'm almost there. Recovery. Let's do it.